Alright guys, today is the day. We're going to get the 10th gen. Isn't that right? Oh, yo, you got jumper cables?
Yeah. Wait, I think so.
Alright, you said I need a jumper cables.
Should be checking for you.
Hold on. Alright, so we do have jumper cables. We stopped on the side of the road. We had to check. We're going to get the car, boys. And the total of all the labor was $1,500 after everything, which, you know, I didn't want to do it, so it is what it is. Yeah, we're going to Dynamic Performance. We're gonna go pick up the car. Hopefully everything's good with it. I'm gonna stitch in pictures of what the head looked like. The head went to Head Games here in Jersey. Got all refreshed. And yeah, we got the headstuds, head gasket, and we should be good to go. We are total into this. It cost me $1,000 to get the head back, so we're in it like $1,700. They gave me new spark plugs. They put in fresh oil, coolant, and I think that was it, right? Yeah. So we're gonna go get the car. Here we go. We got an hour and 30 minutes or 15 minutes or so. So let's get it. Alright boys, here she is. Here's a couple of the projects I guess they got going on right now. And look what we have here. She's good to go, dude.
Dude, this thing's sick.
She's good to go, dude. Check that out. So boys, welcome back. It is now the next day. It was dark by the time I got home and it's almost dark now. But here she is. She's back. She is back, boys. Long time awaiting. She is back. She is looking pretty good. She needs a wash, but she's here. She's back. She's looking good. Still got to paint or do whatever to this bumper bracket. I'm not gonna cut it. I think I'm gonna just paint it black or something. Get an emblem put over it. But she's here, ready to get back on the road. Ready to get back on the road. We're gonna try to snoop around and see if we can catch us some races this time. We got the driveway back packed. Got the 10th, 11th, 9.5, if you want to call it that. EK, EG, Z. Driveway's looking pretty stacked up right now. But I will get back to you guys on a further update. But she is back. Alright boys, we're gonna give her a test hit. Got her back a little while ago. Traction control is only half disabled, so we're gonna brake boost and get it